Rapping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Take out. No monkey in the jungle, fly high like a sauna. Bouncing off and I'm trying to weave an anaconda. Jumping in the water, trying to slip across the border. Got sea cars out, got me big bad for Ronald. Out, bag of money, know I gotta have it. Savage.
Okay, hey guys, it's really early. My flight is in a couple hours, so I have to do this really fast. I did just wake up and I did just wash my face, but I can see a little bit of little things. I had got these lashes and glue over around December. Wouldn't necessarily recommend because it took like over 3 months for her to just ship it. So these are the lashes that I got. These are the clusters, and then this is also the glue. And if you check TikTok, you will see all her stuff, though like I said, I wouldn't necessarily recommend. But anyways, I did use this one time, but I don't like how I put it on. They were just too long. And then I realized, oh, I guess I should have like went from long to short, or just not, because this is a D curl, and with a D curl you really don't necessarily need them really long, and I didn't know that at the time. Anyway, so I have these clusters, and then I also got this, well, these from Amazon, because the first time I did put this on, what happened? I don't know. I mean, my application was really bad anyway, so that probably affected how, like, the lashes the next day when I tried to brush them, they were just kind of like falling off. Not the actual lash, but like the little, from the little cluster strip, like when I brushed, they were just coming off or whatever. What else happened? Though the glue was very strong, it probably would have lasted a really long time, but because the little flyaways were like flying off, I just decided to take the whole thing off, which was really hard, even with like the oil. And I think I used Vaseline actually, but it was really hard. So I'm like, okay, glue pretty strong. Either way, I'm gonna be taking both of these with me on my trip, just in case I need to do like a reapplication. I found this in my makeup bag, that's why it's like a little dirty, so this is what we're gonna use. Y'all see? I really hope y'all can see. If y'all can't see, I'm so sorry. I don't know, I'm kind of nervous. I wish y'all could really see how curly my lashes are right now, so y'all could really see how this is really not working so great. So I just got those on there, and then I'm gonna it does say wait for it to clear, so that's what I'm gonna do. Okay y'all, so this is 18. Right there. Extremely blurry. Okay, so I just put her under the lash line, as y'all can see, under the lash. I'm gonna mix them up like I said. I'm gonna pull a 16 from this. This is now a 16. Okay. This 16 don't really feel like a 16. I'm adding another 16 right next to it because that one didn't do nothing. Okay. Still don't feel like it did nothing, but just want to show y'all how the application is going. I'm gonna add another 16, but one of these thick ones, and have it like up to here. So pretty much I'm gonna be stacking these baby ones. Wow y'all, I'm actually putting these on really well. I'm putting this on really well. I'm letting the glue dry up a little, and then we're gonna put a 14 on here. Okay, so 14. Anyways, I just put it on. It's very weird. My battery is already about to die. So I'm about to put glue in my inner corner. Another mistake I think I'm making, and that's why I keep putting glue on these lashes, like accidentally, is I think you're supposed to put the glue on the whole eye and then start placing them, but I'm backwards. I have some issues here with the glue. I feel like putting too much glue is what makes it clumpy too, so I'm trying to avoid that, but also put a significant amount. Damn it, I only have 2 12s. That's bad. Okay, but I just wanted to see. This one is kind of, I think I put too much glue or something. I'm gonna do the other side off camera because honestly doing this on camera is what made me take so long. And then we're gonna come back and probably stack the little ones and just place them on. I think I don't know yet. All right, you guys, so I just finished with the lashes. Why is this lighting just not messing with me today? Hold on, y'all. I can barely even see myself.
Yeah, like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut dope like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato.
I might stack them, but for right now I feel like they're good enough. Why do I look weird on camera, I feel like. But baby, this mirror, I look good.